Welcome to this quick guide for installing voices and votes. Voices and votes includes 6 thematic sections. We'll demonstrate how the basic structure is installed, how to attach certain elements, and how the exhibition is created. We'll install one section of the introduction to show all of the basic steps to put together the bottom, middle, and top panels. We'll start by setting the bottom panels in place. The introduction has a header, which we use to properly measure the distance between the bottoms. Levelers on the bottoms can be adjusted for uneven floors. The bottoms are connected together using knob screws. All of the panels are numbered and will correspond to the installation instructions and a floor template for proper placement. Once the bottoms are in place, we're ready to build up by adding the trusses. Each truss is numbered and color-coded. Align the red and blue stickers with the bottom panel. Some sections have end caps. The middle piece of the end cap fits into the bottom panel and is secured with a knob screw. Next, we can add the top panel. Every piece of the exhibition is clearly labeled inside the crates. The installation instructions and the crate list both indicate where you can find each piece. The top panel slides down onto the trusses. Have at least 2 people to help and a step stool if needed. Repeat the process for the top of the end cap and secure with a knob screw. The structure will not be secure until all knob screws are tightened, but be sure not to over-tighten. Repeat the entire process for the other side of the introduction, adding the trusses, the middle end cap, all the top panels, and securing with knob screws. Now we're ready to add the middle panels. Middle panels are packed together and are also clearly numbered on the panel and the crate. Middle panels fit into keyholes on the trusses. Have 2 people align the screws on the back of the middle panel to the keyholes. Make sure all 4 screws fit down into the keyholes before letting go. This may take a few tries. Finally, we can add the introduction header. Have 3 people to help and a step stool. The header fits into the front slots of the top panels. 2 wing panels with stars are then attached with Velcro. Start at an angle for easier installation. Next, let's take a look at some of the removable elements you'll find in voices and votes. The exhibition contains flipbooks, object cases, pop-off graphics, and interactives. All components are numbered and have mounting brackets on the back, which align with the bracket on the middle panel. Simply start above the bracket and slide down until secure. Wiggle to make sure it is secure. All object cases and other interactives in the exhibition also use the same bracket system. There are 4 permanently mounted television monitors in Voices and Votes. The on-off button is indicated by a star. The volume adjustment is the plus and minus sign. Section 6 is a different structure from the rest of the exhibition. 2 panels are vertically stacked with a base at the bottom. We start by flipping the bottom panel upside down to attach the bases. Have 2 to 3 people helping. The 2 bases are aligned to holes in the bottom panel. A clamp is used to temporarily hold the bases in place. Then secure the base with 2 bolts and washers. Tighten with the Allen wrench. Now we can flip the bottom panel over. Two steel connectors are added to the ends of the panel, and the top panel fits onto these connectors. Thanks for watching this quick guide to installing the main elements of Voices and Votes. Please refer to your installation guide for detailed step-by-step instructions for all parts of the exhibition. For any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Our registrar can be reached at the email address shown on your screen.